Craftstrom offers DIY smart solar systems that integrate seamlessly into homes, maximizing energy efficiency and minimizing installation complexity. Their AI-powered smart battery provides real-time power monitoring, optimizing energy storage and usage, and offering off-grid power during outages. The system is controlled via a user-friendly app, providing flexible control over charging cycles and power usage to optimize energy savings. The plug-and-play design enables easy installation without specialized tools or expertise, making it accessible to homeowners. The system uses a proprietary communication system for fast, reliable data transmission between components, ensuring precise energy management. The system provides uninterrupted power supply during outages, enabling users to power essential appliances and maintain comfort. The portable nature of the system allows users to take it with them for off-grid adventures and various use cases. Safety is ensured through UL listing, compliance with the National Electric Code, and the inclusion of an intelligent safety breaker for safe operations.